Thank you so much for being here. You are welcome to OS Jeremiah Entrepreneurship Channel. How to change your story in Nigeria. Or maybe you wanted to change your story online and you have been searching and searching and searching across the internet, especially on YouTube, looking for the last solution for you to change your story. So congratulations. Please like this video below now so that we go viral and others will be highly impacted through your little effort. Thanks for likes and sharing. Please fill this video like so that we cover your screen so that you enjoy it fully. So number one way to change your story online is Facebook ad or Facebook advertisement. Google is advertising on Facebook. YouTube is advertising on Facebook. Other big giants are advertising on Facebook. Why won't you? As of today, we have over 2.2 billion people connected to Facebook daily. Imagine 2.2 billion users. So that's the reason why I was shocked. Imagine people will go to offline in Nigeria to go and look for something big, put it on Facebook before over 2.2 billion people and be making millions monthly. So please stop wasting your precious time on Facebook daily. Please and please, this is an advice. I'm not controlling you. And be a Facebook advertiser. And you'll be making minimum of 1 million of whatever you pay your content, especially when you're in Nigeria, making minimum of 1 billion every month. Number two way to change your story in Nigeria is content writer. So I think I taught so many Nigerians about how to write the content for the brand company sellers in the last decade. I taught a whole lot of Nigerians. I can remember one of my students, I could remember ask me, Mr. Jeremiah, now that you have taught me how to write the best short, medium, and long content on the internet, now how am I going to get a job that will be earning me hundreds of thousands of 1 million monthly? And my reply was, please, it won't happen overnight. But if you can listen to my instruction today, within 1 week to 1 month, you will start earning from 100,000 to 1 million minimum monthly. And within a year, you'll be making millions monthly. So what you are going to do now is that go and write freely for the brands, especially the personal brands, because you will have one-on-one contact. But there's nothing bad whether company or whatever, but go and write freely for them. Okay, let me take, and I told him the simple reality emphasize of whenever club or country, or let's say club, wanted to sign a new player, remember they have already specified, so watching separately the coaches or the special signing team watch him specially, they watch him on TV several times, they still requested for that player to come for the screening. Why did they request it? Because of they wanted to believe, and when there is no miracle, nobody is going to attend your church. So go and write freely for the brand and they are going to secure your service. Today, he is earning millions monthly because he has already put himself as real expert before him. They tested him and they confirmed that this one is a real expert. Not all these fucking people dominated the internet, because internet is flooded with too many fake gurus. So unless you prove yourself freely before them for like 1 week or 1 month, they won't believe in your expertise. Number third way to change your story in Nigeria is WIB revenue program. The full meaning of WIB is World Internet Billionaire International Entrepreneurship Website. And if this is the first time you are hearing it, it is the only Nigerian or international website you can access the right high income schemes like Facebook advertising, like content writer, copywriter, international market trading like forex, like crypto. You wanted to be the first best affiliate marketer, you want to know how to generate leads, how to nurture leads, how to close, you wanted to know everything called the most reliable business on the internet now, or latest high income skills. So in this, the beautiful part of this number 3 is that when you are sharing, let me show you, look at the website below, www.worldinternetbillionaires.com. Let me share you how it looks like. So this is the website. You can see the website will give you access to the most reliable business opportunities, latest high income skills, and sources of failure stories of internet billionaires. So this is what we look like. So what you need is as simple as to join here, then learn massively about any of the high income skills I have already mentioned in this episode, and sell your knowledge, and be making minimum of 1 million monthly, even if you are watching this from the foreign country. So what you need in this modern generation to change your story online, or to change your story in Nigeria, is the latest high income skills, any of the latest high income skills, or any of the most reliable online businesses really killing it on the, you can see that affiliate marketing trend in Nigeria like crazy. Current boom market is coming, cryptocurrency industry, Copywriting is raining because you can't set advertisement without copywriting. So too many high income skills in this website. Look at the screen very well with the website address www.worldinternetbillionaires.com. So that is the only thing you need ever in your life to change your story very fast in Nigeria or whatever the country you be this year. So in conclusion, please like this video below for it to go viral so that you can impact others for them to gain access to this gold entrepreneurship learning. Help me share this lastly so that you won't leave my page. So share it a lot. So please and please, below this video by the right side, click follow and set the highest notification so that you will gain access. I used to post one short video minimum daily and 1 to 3 videos every week so that you'll be learning massively. From the next video I'm going to post soon. And lastly, please let me hear your voice in the comments. If I'm doing it wrong or right, I can't know. You are the only one that can judge. So let me hear your voice and I'm ready to answer any whatever your painful entrepreneurship question. Click link in the description below for you to gain access and learn more massively. Thanks for learning.